Welcome to DVCom channel. Today, we're discussing an important topic for any business that relies on connectivity: minimizing downtime with reliable cabling. Did you know that quality network cabling plays a crucial role in keeping your business up and running smoothly? When your network is built with high-quality, professionally installed cabling, you're setting up your business for continuous operations, even as demands increase. Downtime can be a real headache. From missed deadlines to interrupted client communications, network outages can disrupt your entire workflow. But by investing in dependable, high-performance cabling, you're greatly reducing the risk of outages. Quality cables, like Cat6a or fiber optics, resist wear, interference, and signal degradation, meaning fewer points of failure and a more resilient network. At DVCom Systems, we ensure that our installations are built to last, giving you a stable network that supports your business's daily operations. Whether it's handling high data traffic or supporting seamless communication, our reliable cabling solutions are designed to keep your team connected and productive, no matter what. It's a proactive step to minimize downtime and maximize efficiency. So, if you want a network that works as hard as you do, choose cabling solutions that minimize downtime. Thanks for joining us on the DVCom channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on creating a dependable network. If you're ready to learn more, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit our website at www.dvcsny.com.